Hello, so today is July 10th and I'm here starting my first experiment, the culturing microbes in broth. I have my E. coli little vial, and I have the nutrient broth, which I already labeled with E. coli on it. I also have my other nutrient broth with the word epidermidis with its little vial of it. I have my yeast and also my other broth, which I already labeled with S. cerevisiae. Not sure how to pronounce that. I have my alcohol with my pipette that I'm going to be squeezing and shake. I have my field, I have my bleach container for everything that we're not going to need after. It needs to be placed there for 30 minutes and then we could toss it with the garbage. Okay, so I'm done with my pipette. So I'm going to open the little E. coli. Sure, it says E. coli. And there's another one in it. Okay, so I'm gonna open this one, and it says to put it against the fire to sterilize. I feel like it's gonna burn it. It says to do the same thing with the broth. So I'm opening the broth, and this is kind of difficult, but there it goes. This is so it can sterilize the opening of it. So then I'm gonna grab the pipette, make sure there's no residual in there. Then it says to grab 0.2 mLs of it. Make sure you don't touch the edge. Oh, that's a lot. Oh, okay, so then this is what I'm going to pour to this one. And it didn't touch anything, so I'm going to close this one up. For the pipette here, I'm going to close this one too. Doesn't want to close. Okay, so now that this one's closed, just to shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. I'm still shaking it. Well, I'm gonna do that for the rest and I will come back. Okay, so far I'm almost done. I am waiting for my yeast to start bubbling. It has about another 5 minutes to go. I already have the broth ready for it as well. I still have my candle going. And then my E. coli is ready, my epidermidis is ready, and then after that we'll work on this one. So far I think everything's good. I still have my alcohol. I'm keeping the rest of my yeast, and everything else is going to go on to the bleach to get clean, sterile, and you know, everything else that we're not going to reuse, and it's going to be tossed in the trash. And again, today is July 10th and it is about 6:10 in the afternoon or evening. Okay everyone, so again, today's Thursday, July 12th. It's been 48 hours since I left my nutrient broth just sit. So this is my Let's see, this is the E. coli. You can't really see much, it's pretty much just all in the bottom. Let's see, you can see it says E. coli. Then there's this one, the epidermis, epidermis. And this one's been 48 hours as well. So as you can see, this one's more cloudy or more concentrated in the bottom. Okay, so it did something. It used to be pretty clear. And then this is the yeast, so the I'm sorry, I can't pronounce that. But it's more cloudy, almost the whole tube. And then there's just the residue in the bottom. So now I'm going to put them in petri dishes and see how much it grows. Okay, bye. Okay, everybody, so I'm about to do the second step of my experiment of the aseptic technique in culturing microbes. Like I said, I've had these already for 48 hours. So now it's time for me to grab the lube, which I have it here. It was soaking in the alcohol. So I have to shake this dry. Then I have my candle. Let me move this. I have my candle right there. It's burning. And I am going to start, it says with the E. coli. So I have it ready. I do have to again burn the rim, and then I have to put the lube inside, and then with zigzags I'm going to to do it to the dish at the agar plate. So I'm gonna do that, and then it says I have to wait 20 seconds and then repeat it in a different direction. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then after that, I guess I'm supposed to let them sit again for another 48 hours, and then we'll see where it goes. Okay, bye. I will do an update after 48 hours. Hello, everyone. So today is Saturday, July 14th, and I have been incubating my dishes for 48 hours, and I found that the E. coli, there's hardly any visible things in it at all. But on the S. cerevisiae, you can see there's a lot. You can see the the each direction that I did the culture, and then also the epidermis something. You can also see the directions that I did. I was actually surprised that the E. coli didn't show anything. And after a while, I was thinking about it, and I think I figured out why. I don't think that I submerged the loop thing far enough in to get any of the bacteria to, place it on the dish. That's the only thing that I could think of. It says that I should probably incubate it for another, I think it said 24 hours. But my other two did. It's just that's the only one. So I'm just going to take a picture for it. Hopefully it's okay. It says that I should put these in the refrigerator so we could use them, I guess, in the future. So I'm going to put them in a plastic bag, seal it completely, and just leave it in the refrigerator for future experiments. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.